Hi guys and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, we have shown on how you can set insurance for a product. Now let's get into this video. To set insurance for a product, first you set settings in the global settings. You go over Woocommerce settings, booking and rental, product details, booking form. Let's go to the Show Insurance Amount tab. You tick the checkbox if you want to display insurance amount in the front end. Move on, insurance amount will be paid once. If you tick the checkbox, insurance amount will be paid in full in the first payment. You don't tick the checkbox, insurance amount will be paid in twice. Suppose I tick the checkbox. Then I set insurance for a product. You go over products, add new. Set amount of insurance. Suppose a customer makes a booking from 15th of August from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. You can see the total amount is $70, including $60 for renting the car and $10 for insurance amount. You can see insurance fees in a cart, in a checkout. In order detail, the order number is 782. Let's go to the dashboard. Go over Products, Manage Order. Go to the 782 order. You can see insurance status is received. After returning insurance for a customer, you have to update insurance. You go to Order Detail. Click Update Insurance button. You insert 0. You can see the insurance status is paid for customers. If you don't tick the checkbox of insurance amount will be paid once tap. So the insurance amount will be paid in twice. The first time when customers pay for deposit and the second time when they pay for remaining amount. The insurance amount paid in the first payment depends on rate of deposit. For example, if you set deposit is 50% of total amount, the insurance amount paid in the first payment will be 50% of total insurance amount. Please note, insurance amount payment invoice will be only applicable for percentage of payment deposit type, not applicable for a fixed amount of payment deposit type. Then you set insurance for a product. You go over Products, Add New. Set amount of insurance. Set deposit. You only choose a percentage amount of payment deposit type and set. Let's go to the front end. Suppose a customer makes a booking from 16th of August from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. You can see deposit amount is $35, including $30 for renting the car. Is the 50% of renting the car, and $5 for insurance. This is 50% of insurance amount. The order number is 797. Let's go to the dashboard. Go over Products, Manage Order. You can see in the 797 order, the deposit status is partial payment. The insurance status is received. After paying for deposit, the customer have to pay for remaining amount. Two ways to pay for remaining amount. A customer pay directly at office and a customer pay via a link. Suppose a customer pay directly at office, you go to order detail. Click Pay Full button. Then, after customer pay full, you have to return insurance for the customer. Then you update insurance. To update insurance, you click Update Insurance button. You insert 0. Come back to the Manage Order. You can see in 797 order, the deposit status is full payment. The insurance status is paid for customers. Another customer makes a booking in 17th of August from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. The order number is 798. You come back to the dashboard. Go over go over Products Manage Order. You can see the 798 order. The deposit status is partial payment. The insurance status is received. In the case the customer wants to pay for remaining via link, so you have to create remaining amount invoice to send to customer. You go to the 798 order detail. Two ways to create remaining amount invoice. Create remaining amount invoice manually and create remaining amount invoice automatically. First, create remaining amount invoice automatically. You go to Global Settings. In remaining amount invoice feature, you can set X day before pickup date, check periodically every X seconds for create a remaining invoice, and set send email to customers automatically. Or you can create remaining amount invoice manually. To create remaining amount invoice manually, you click Create Remaining Invoice button. Then you go to Order Actions tab. You choose Send Order Details to Customers. A link will be sent to customers' email, including remaining amount invoice. The customer enter the link to pay for remaining amount. Come back to the Manage Order. You can see the 798 order is original payment, and 799 orders is the remaining amount invoice of 798 order. And after the customer pay for remaining amount, you have to return the insurance amount for the customers. You have to update insurance amount for two orders, 798 and 799 orders. Let's go to the order detail. Click Update Insurance button. Insert 0. Let's go to 799 order. You also update insurance. You click Update Insurance button. Insert 0. Come back to Manage Order. You can see the insurance status of the order is paid for customers. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.